seat right now. Check this out. Isn't this a cool little stop? We use, for anyone that doesn't know, a site called Airbnb. It's basically like booking a hotel, but it's someone's house or apartment. It's really cool, and so what they do is they let you rent out, say, a room for a couple nights or an entire house, and they give you a flat rate each night. So strongly recommend it. This is not an endorsement, but it's a recommendation. I mean, so it's really cool app. So check it out. Now we are picking up what are called cronuts. Dosons.
I've lived a life that's full. I travel east.
Quick stop, pick up some sandwiches. We're going on a hike today, so we're gonna grab some sandwiches for the hike. We're off on our hike. We are now at the bottom. So we are currently walking up this valley here in search of more water. We're stranded in the desert. We've now found a water source right here. Oh look, there's more people. We've arrived to the falls. We're here.
I've lived, yes, I've lived a life that's full. I travel east, every highway. What more? Here's much more.
Alright, so far the cliff jumping slash hike slash swim has been a success. Woohoo! Woohoo! There's a rope attached up there. It goes all the way down. Alright, it's a little bit windy right now, but we are now heading back from the waterfall. It was definitely a success. Would you say it was a success, Haley?
Yes, very fun.
Then, actually, one chick, she fell from she fell from a ledge, basically. So I have what's called a life straw, and I don't know if you guys have seen it on TV or any commercials online, but basically it enables you to drink dirty water and it filters it. So I've never tried it before, so I want to try it out. Oh yeah. All right.
Ew. Ew.
Ready? Are you getting this?
Yes, I'm getting this. Does it taste clean?
Yeah. Wow. Tastes really good. Wow. Like it actually worked. That's exciting.
Getting my way. Getting my way. I've lived. Yes, I've lived a life that's full. I travel east, every highway. What more? Yeah, much more.
An absolutely beautiful sunrise. I did not close the vlog officially yesterday, so I figured I would close it the following morning. I am now heading back to Las Cruces from Tucson. It was an amazing Labor Day weekend, really awesome hike, cool experience. My first time, Haley's first time. That's the vlog, so thank you so much for watching. Share with your friends if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. Have a good one, and hope you had an awesome Labor Day weekend.